Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya here. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome. What's up? Go ahead and become a part of this family by hitting subscribe below so that you don't miss any of the uploads that I got coming up. I do post about 1 to 2 videos a week and you don't want to miss that. Make sure you hit the bell as well so that you are updated every time I drop a new video. Today I am going to be trying on Getting Cute with the new ColourPop by Ellarie collection. If you are a makeup and a YouTube junkie like I am, then you know exactly who Ellarie is. She's gorgeous, she has a gorgeous little girl, she's a single mom out here doing it on YouTube. She's been on YouTube for years, but she really is one of the reasons that I came on YouTube, because she's a single mom, she's out here just doing her thing and I love it. She has an amazing channel. The collection that she has with ColourPop is lip based, because if you know her as well, you know her lips are popping, like they're gorgeous. They kind of look like Rihanna's lip with like the V at the top. Like it's, she's just so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Alright guys, so as you can see, these colors are super cute. Like, have you feeling yourself up in this piece? That's why I had to do a few, you know, wardrobe changes for this video, because it was making me feel real cute. So I feel like every different color needed its own ensemble to go with it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe below so that you can stay updated on all I got coming to you. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.